Today we will unbox a plastic products factory. In this factory, 480,000 bottles, 2.8 million balls and over 3.5 million bats are made annually. In this factory they make pesticide bottles for agriculture, broom handles, plastic cans, juice bottles as well as plastic toys. First, let's see how the agricultural bottles are made. In this factory there are different blow moulding machines used to make various plastic products. To start with, for bottle making, the raw material is loaded into the hopper. For making different types of products, there are different raw materials used, such as HDPE, PP and many others. As you can see, the raw material is transparent, but the bottle is green. How does this happen? Well, for this, master batch is used. This gives different colours to the bottles. The master batch is in liquid or solid form with high colour concentration of pigments or additives. After this, the extruder moves the raw material ahead in the machine. The heaters in the extruder heat the material to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, which converts the mixture to a paste. Then the paste moves through parison. The parison controls the flow of the paste. Now the paste comes into the mould and a hot blade cuts it. This blowing nozzle blows the high pressure air into the mould. This inflates the paste according to the shape of the mould. You may wonder how the paste is cooled. Chilled water flows into the mould and cools the paste. After cooling, the mould is opened and the product is ejected. The auto deflashing section of the machine removes the extra material on top of the bottle. Finally, the bottle is ready. Now let's move to the next section of the factory. Here, 1 litre pesticide bottles are made. The manufacturing process is the same as the bottle. As it is dangerous pesticides that will fill the bottle, it needs to be strong enough. Later, it will be sent to the bottle filling plant. Now, in another section of the factory, there are plastic broom handles being made. Blue coloured master batch is used along with the raw material to make the blue coloured broom handles. This handle will be fitted to modern plastic brooms. After the removal of the extra material, the handles are packed and sent to the broom manufacturing facility. Let's continue the factory tour and see how plastic cans and bottles are made. Now the fruit juice bottles are made in the machine. With this you can enjoy fresh juice in your house. Here also the plastic cans are made. Now this is the most amazing area of the factory where children's favourite toys are made. But first, let's see how those toys are made. More than 9,600 bats and 57,000 balls are made every day. One machine makes 960 bats in an 8-hour shift, and this toy section has 10 machines, which produce 9,600 bats every day. In a year, more than 3.5 million bats are made in this factory. Now, what do we need to play with a bat? Any guesses? Of course, this factory also makes balls to play with the bat. Ball manufacturing is similar to the other products. The only difference is the mould. This machine makes 4 balls at a time, and that means 5,700 balls in an 8-hour shift. And with 10 ball making machines, that together makes 57,000 balls every day. As you've seen, there are so many products made in this factory. This enormous production generates huge amounts of waste. So you may question, what happens to the waste material? This scrap material is fed into a scrap grinder, which reduces it all into small granules. These granules are then used to make plastic products. This process makes the factory a zero waste factory. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the plastic products making factory. Did it surprise you to see so many plastic products being made in one factory? Which of these products do you use? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and share it with your friends. Stay connected, be updated.